In 2003, Eric started a new job with a yearly salary of $52,000. If the company offers a 2.5% raise, where was it? Okay, a 2.5% raise every year. Use a geometric sequence formula to determine his salary in 2020. Okay, so I know that my first term is 52,000. Just as an exercise, it's not really necessary, but how would you figure out how much money he will have in his second year? Can you guys take a moment to figure that out and then let me know? Okay, I heard two different people doing different methods. I'm going to show you guys both ways. So somebody calculated how to get this second term by doing 52,000. They changed this number to a decimal, 0.025. They multiplied it by 0.025 and got 1,300. What do you think they did with this number? You add it to what they started with because this is his raise. So then they got 53,300, right? You got that for your second number in the term? Okay, another method, you guys did 52,000 times 1.025, and what'd you get? 53,300. So they just did it in one step. They did the one because one represents 100%. 52,000 is 100%, and then they're adding on 0.025. So this will give you 53,300, and using this method will also give you 53,300. Do whichever method is you're most comfortable with, okay? If this makes sense to you, you can definitely do it that way. Okay, the reason why I had you guys do this is because look, what is the ratio between these two numbers? So let's do 53,300 divided by 52,000. If you do that, what is our ratio? 1.025. That is your ratio. So your R value is 1.025. The reason why I made you guys figure out what the second term is because those of you guys who use this method, you thought the ratio was 0.025, but your ratio is actually this, okay? All right, so now that we know the ratio, we know the first term, we can figure out our formula. So I'm going to erase this. Okay, our formula is A of n equals your first term times the ratio n to the power of n minus 1. So my first term I know is 52,000. That's how much he started out with. The ratio we just figured out was 1.025. 1.025. Now let's read the problem. We want to determine his salary in 2020. So what should my n value be? You guys are saying 18? Okay, good. Let's talk about it. A lot of people will do 2020 minus 2003, and they'll get 17 because 17 years has passed between 2003 and 2020. However, this is wrong to think that way because we're thinking about it in terms of a term. This is the first term. 2003 is the first term. This is the second term, the third term. If you number the years by term, you will get 18, not 17. 16, 17, 18. So that means the year 2020 is the 18th term. So we plug in an 18. So guys, go ahead and plug this into your calculators. It'll be 52,000 times 1.025 to the power of 17. And let me know what the value of the truck is. I'm sorry, that's a different problem. What his salary is. What is his salary? $124? and 10 cents. Thank you.